Hey, what's up, Indian coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Indian coin. My friends, what's going on this time in Indian coin? This update is very urgent for all Indian holders. Keep watch this video till the end and never miss this update. If you miss, you're in the loss. If you keep watching this video till the end, so absolutely there's a lot of chances in the future to you will get a profit, my friends, from an Indian coin. Now, first of all, we took the latest update, and after that, we discussed that what will be the next move of free coins, Enjin coin, and the next month, my friends. Now, this time, the latest price update of Enjin coin is here, 1.53 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Enjin coin. On the other side, if you look at the price change of coin, the Enjin coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. Only the last 1 hour pricing is negative, my friends. The previous chain coin, the Enjin coin, is going positive, my friends. I am feeling very happy to see this kind of chain coin in the Enjin coin. But now at this time, unfortunately, the last 1 hour pricing is negative. But it's not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. That is a temporary pause. After some passage of time, they will again take a jump. So remember that. Don't decide to sell. It's time to hold and hold. You can see in the start of June, they will start a jump. You can see a quick jump over in the start of June. So the June month is the jumping month of every cryptocurrencies. So please hold. I recommend for everyone again and again that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Indian coin? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.